Welcome to another Forex forecast with Bluepiece Forex. I'm Francis, and in this video I'm going to be talking about EurNzd, showing the major levels of structure in the market from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame, and showing how I'm going to be trading around these structures this coming week. So before we start, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so to enable you get our content the moment we upload a new video. Alright, so without any further waste of time, let's get down to the analysis. So this is the monthly time frame on EurNzd, and what we can first see is that we have this ascending channel right here. You can see that we had resistance here, we had support from support, resistance, support, we had resistance, and after the rejection of this resistance, what we can expect next will be for the price to get to support within the next few months, probably 4, 5, 6 months, depending on how the market wants to move. But we expect to see the price touch support within the next few months. Also, we can see that we had an horizontal level of support at this level here. Last one give us a clear close below that support. So with that close, we can expect to see continuation lower to this support at this point. So that just acts as added confidence for the continuation lower from the monthly time frame. So let's see what we have from the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame, and what we can see on EurNzd is that the price gave us this close below, and after this close below we had a move higher, and last 2 weeks closed back above this support right here. So normally after I close above support, what you will expect will be continuation higher, but remember that from the monthly time frame we want to see the price move lower. And also you can see that last week give us a close back below this weekly level of support at this point, which means this area is holding as resistance, and this push above was most likely a fake break up to trap buyers. So from the weekly time frame we have a close back below this resistance, and what we expect now will be continuation lower first to this weekly resistance where support we have right here. So let's see what we have from the daily time frame. Alright, so this is the daily time frame on this pair, and what we can see immediately is that we have a daily level of resistance of support at this area right here. You can see that it was support at this point, it was resistance at this area, and then we can expect that this area will be support once again in the market. So now from the monthly time frame we want to see the price drop. From the weekly time frame we have a break back below the weekly level of support, and that means that area has been broken. So now as long as support has been broken, it becomes resistance, and we expect to see continuation lower. But now on the daily time frame we are at support, and also if we look from here, we had this push lower, up, lower low, came back up again, and then we have the price at this point. So in an ideal situation, this would have been an inverse head and shoulders pattern for continuation upward, but because from the larger time frames we expect to see a continuation lower, we are not interested in this inverse head and shoulders. What we want to now see is actually a daily close below this zone of support right here. So we are going to see a daily close below that zone of support. That's the only time we can start looking for any short trades out of this play, because as long as support remains intact, we might just see the price reject this support and start moving upwards. So what we want to see now will be a daily close below support. Then we are going to get that on the retest of support as resistance. Then if I will get a good signal after the rejection of that area, then I'm going to take a short trade to my first daily objective at 69.66. Then if I get a daily close below that area on the retest, I'm going to take another short trade to my overall weekly objective at 67.93. So that's what I expect from EurNzd within the next few days or weeks, as the case may be. If you enjoyed this video, do smash the like button, click on the subscribe button, also click on the bell notification to enable you get our notifications the moment we post a new video. And if you have a comment, a question, please ask in the comment section. I'm more than willing to answer you. And also, if you have any pair you would like me to analyze in the next video, leave it in the comment section below. And till we meet in the next video, have a wonderful day.